Our product is ICT and software product. Before starting presentation, I would like to invite our group members to come to DICE and introduce yourself in shortly.
This is Nita Khatun, my last name is Sarko. This is Shafla.
Please tell your full ID, not the short one.
See, this is Nita Khatun, my ID was.
Okay, and this is who said the one who said this is.
Sorry sir, I am.
Short the radiation को बाहर से दिखे आते क्यों वाले this is at the job तो तो formal thing formal अभी सिर्फ मैं myself और I am का सबसे बात है I am और myself
I am Nita Khatun, my ID 1625064.
I am Shafla Akhtar, my ID is 1625061. I am Ivan Afroz, my ID is 1625071.
I am Saddam Hussain, my ID is 1625041.
I am M. Shoriful Islam. My student ID is 1625003.
I am Muhammad Afram Masmudar. My ID number is 1625081.
I am Samir Bishop and my ID is 1625073.
I am Mohammed, student 1625088.
you can sit down only
Our exported product is software and ICT product.
you are showing to this now
Before starting about the exporting product, let's introduce about our product and services. Software is a collection of instruction which is given. The creator of software given some instruction to inside of this, and the way instruction has been given to this software, the software is working on a way. When the word comes to your mind and software, there are two words comes to our mind: invention and innovation of the software. And as you know, we are from developing country like Bangladesh, and we have tried to export our software to a developed country at Australia. And there is a thing that invention and innovation of software. When we are making software, we don't need to take in mind that it is made in Bangladesh or made in USA. The thing is that how efficiently and how effectively the software is doing its job. For example, the software come from USA, and the same software come from Bangladesh. It will give you the same service if the software is made and designed honestly and wellly. And if you think about the cost, a software is made in USA like $500, and we can make the software like $2,500, almost half of the price, due to our living cost, due to the salary of software engineer. That's why you can cut the price, and we have dared to enter in Australian market. And another thing is ICT product. ICT product are the same also. ICT product means the collaboration of software and hardware, and we can say that the device which helps to communicate between technology and information is called ICT board. And in last 1.5 years, we have used ICT product a lot, and we have experienced a lot of things in COVID-19 situation, like laptop, tablet, and projector, and so on things we have applied in our life. Next. Another thing, the headline is that our innovation and tech is to touch the sky. The sky means for as an exporter, we can if we have a huge amount of energy to reach the big level of as a Bangladeshi exporter of software and ICT board. Engineering, we have a option that engineering university students invention, like in BUET or in SAST, every year hundreds of students are becoming graduate, and a lot of students have some fascination to create a software and launch in a market, but due to less funding, due to insufficiency of funding and insufficiency of funding, they don't try. And we will we have a plan to hunting the talent and genius person who have energy to invent a software, that we will collaborate them. And we also have planning that the students who have DC engineering in ICT or CSC and who also have done their MBA in marketing, we will take them and we will collaborate their planning and we will apply their planning. And the software name I will give you. As we will launch the software, and we have tried to do something new, because in last 1.5 years I have faced a lot of problems, lot of time consuming things in my life. That's why I try to make a software that is the end user of the software is the student, but the initial user of the software is like university, college, and high school of Australian institutions. We have seen that during our online class we have seen that we need to install apps, Google Meets or Zoom, and another thing is for submitting assignment we need to install Google Classroom, and for a different job we need to install a different application. For a single student it's like really hassling and time consuming. That's why we try to create one-stop service in which you will get one service, one software. You will get all type of software, all type of services that is provided freely. But we will take premium. We will get some extra charges from the institution, for which we will collaborate the all service into one place. And the country environment of Australia. As you know, Australia is a developed country, and Australia is the best country to live in the world based on wealth, education, and health, and their quality of life. And Australia is the 6th largest country in the world based on their land, and its population is comparatively lower than us, but because they have huge area, but they have a lowest population. And the thing is that in Australia there is a lot of Asian migrant has been coming thousands of years ago during the arrival of British rulers. And after the Second World War, Australia also have a lot of mass immigration. That's why Australia has a diverse culture in the world, and also that the relationship with another country. If you think about that, Australia has a good relationship with Europe and the USA. But in last 20 years, we have seen that Australia have Australia tie up with some with a lot of Asian countries, and it is also playing the role of peacekeeper in the reason of sending their troops into the Solomon Island, East Timor, and Papua New Guinea. And although Australia is a member of the Commonwealth, they have tried to entering their hand into environment. That was my topic.